Compare the numbers 3.14159 to the power of pi and pi to the power of 3.14159. Let t equal 3.14159 to the power of pi s equal pi to the power of 3.14159. We have then t equals pi times ln of 3.14159, then s equal 3.14159 times ln pi. Divide both sides of equations 1 and 2 by 3.14159 pi. We have ln t over 3.14159 pi equals ln of 3.14159 over 3.14159, then s over 3.14159 pi equals ln pi over pi. Let g of x equal ln x over x. X is greater than 0. We have g dash of x equals 1 minus ln x over x squared. When x is greater than e, 1 minus ln x is less than 0, so g dash of x is less than 0. Thus, g of x is strictly decreasing when x is greater than e. Since 3.14159 is greater than e, pi is greater than e, and 3.14159 is less than e, so g of 3.14159 is greater than g of pi. That is ln of 3.14159 over 3.14159 is greater than ln pi over pi. From equations 3 and 4, inequality 5, we know that ln t is greater than ln s, as inequality 5 holds true. So the right-hand side of equation 3 is greater than the right-hand side of equation 4. So the left-hand side of equation 3 is greater than the left-hand side of equation 4, as the left-hand side of equation 3 and the left-hand side of equation 4 have the same denominator. So we know that ln t is greater than ln s. From equations 1 and 2, we know that pi times ln of 3.14159 is greater than 3.14159 times ln pi. ln of 3.14159 to the power of pi is greater than ln of pi to the power of 3.14159. Since ln x is strictly increasing, so 3.14159 to the power of pi is greater than pi to the power of 3.14159. Now we have an additional problem. Compare 2.5678 to the power of 2.5677 and 2.5677 to the power of 2.5678. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.